Hey TTC family, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning on how to write the letter G. So on the left side, we have capital G, or you can call it big G. And on the right side, we have lowercase g, or you can call it little g. So let's get started on how to write capital G first. So with capital G, we're going to start off by making a curved line going all the way around as if we're making the letter C, but we're not making the letter C. And then we're going to make a straight line going in, just like that. And now we created capital G. Let's go ahead and do that one more time together, friends. We're going to start off by making a curved line going around as if we're making the letter C. But now we're going to make a straight line going in. And here we have capital G once again. Nice job. So now let's move on and write lowercase g. So for lowercase g, we're going to start off by making a circle. Then we're going to give it a straight line going down, not too far down. And we won't stop here. We now have to give that straight line a little hook. And here we have lowercase g. Let's go ahead and write lowercase g one more time. So we're going to make a circle. Then we're going to have a straight line going down. And we're going to bring it around and give it a little hook. So here we have lowercase g. Nice job, friends. So now I want you guys to walk me through on how to make capital and lowercase g. So let's start with lowercase g first. I want you guys to give me directions on how to make lowercase g. So what's the first thing that we have to do? Nice job. The first thing that I have to do is make a circle. What's the second thing I have to do? What comes next after I make my circle? Oh, I have to make a straight line going down. Do I go all the way down? No. Okay, I'm going to stop here then. What comes next? Oh, now I have to give it a little hook. And here I have lowercase g. Nice job. You guys are great teachers. You guys give awesome directions. So now, can you help me make capital G? Can you give me directions to help me make capital G? All right, so what's the first thing that Miss T has to do? Nice. So the first thing I have to do is make a curved line going around as if I'm making the letter C. And now what do? I make a straight line going inwards. Nice. And here I have capital G. You guys are phenomenal. Thank you, boys and girls, for helping me create capital and then also lowercase g. So now I have a challenge for you guys. I want you to think of a word that starts with the letter G. It can be any word that starts with the letter G. And then I want you to write it in the comments below. All right, TTC family, you guys did an amazing job with learning how to make capital G and then also lowercase g. So I want you to pat yourself on the back because you guys did a phenomenal job. And then also, you guys were able to explain to me how to make capital and lowercase g. So nice job, TTC family. Pat yourself on the back. All right, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.